Looking for the best solar panels in 2026? In this video, we've picked the most efficient and reliable solar panels that offer high energy output, long lifespan, and great value for residential and off-grid use. Let's explore the top options you can buy right now. Starting at number 1. Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus Portable Power Station. The Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus Portable Power Station is a high-capacity and expandable solar generator designed for reliable home backup, emergencies, RV travel, and off-grid living. It delivers a strong 3600W AC output, making it capable of powering heavy household appliances, electronics, and essential devices during power outages. Equipped with a large 584W Li-FePO4 battery, it offers long-lasting performance, enhanced safety, and excellent cycle life for extended use. One of its key advantages is expandability, allowing the system to grow up to 21 kWh for even greater backup capacity. The included 500W solar panel support enables renewable charging, making it ideal for sustainable energy use and outdoor applications. Built for convenience and reliability, it provides quiet, emission-free operation compared to traditional fuel generators. Combining high power output, modular expandability, and solar compatibility, the Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus is a powerful and modern solution for dependable backup power and emergency preparedness. Number 2. P5000 Pro 5120WH Portable Power Station. The P5000 Pro 5120WH Portable Power Station is a high-capacity solar generator built for demanding power needs such as home backup, emergency situations, RV travel, and camping. Featuring a massive 5120WH Li-FePO4 battery, it delivers long-lasting performance, high safety standards, and excellent cycle life for extended reliability. With a powerful 3600W continuous output and 7200W surge capacity, it can run heavy-duty appliances and multiple devices simultaneously, making it suitable for both household and outdoor use. It includes multiple 3600W AC output ports, providing flexible connectivity for a wide range of equipment. The system supports solar charging with an included 400W solar panel, enabling clean and renewable energy use in off-grid environments. Designed for portability and emergency readiness, it offers quiet, emission-free operation compared to traditional fuel generators. Combining extreme power capacity, strong surge performance, and solar compatibility, the P5000 Pro is a robust and dependable solution for large-scale backup power needs. Number 3. N-Type 16BB400W Bifacial Solar Panel. The N-Type 16BB400W Bifacial Solar Panel, 2x200W, is a high-efficiency renewable energy solution designed for off-grid and portable power systems. Built with advanced N-type solar cell technology and a 16-busbar, 16BB design, it delivers up to 25% conversion efficiency, ensuring strong energy output even in limited sunlight conditions. Its bifacial construction allows the panel to capture sunlight from both the front and rear sides, increasing overall energy generation by utilizing reflected light. The dual-module parallel anti-shade design helps maintain stable performance even when part of the panel is shaded, improving reliability in real-world environments. Operating at 12V, these panels are suitable for RVs, vans, marine applications, rooftop installations, and off-grid solar systems. Durable and efficient, they are engineered for long-term outdoor use while providing consistent solar charging performance. Combining high efficiency, bifacial gain, and versatile installation options, this solar panel system is ideal for sustainable energy production in both mobile and stationary setups. Number 4. Thomann VS400 Portable Solar Panel. The Thomann VS400 Portable Solar Panel is a high-performance 400W foldable solar solution designed for off-grid power generation, home backup support, and outdoor activities such as camping and RV travel. With an efficiency rating of up to 25%, it delivers strong and stable energy output, making it highly effective even in challenging sunlight conditions. Operating at 43V, it is optimized for efficient charging of portable power stations and solar generator systems. The foldable design makes it easy to carry, store, and set up, while the adjustable kickstands allow users to position the panel at the best angle for maximum sunlight absorption. Built with an IP67 waterproof rating, it is highly durable and resistant to dust and water, making it suitable for harsh outdoor environments. It also comes with multiple connection options including MC4, Anderson, XT60, XT90, and DC5521 adapters, ensuring broad compatibility with various power stations and solar systems. Combining portability, durability, and high efficiency, the Thomann VS400 is an excellent choice for reliable renewable energy on the go. Number 5. Star Monocrystalline Silicon Solar Panel. The Star Monocrystalline Silicon Solar Panel is a high-efficiency renewable energy solution designed for residential, off-grid, and outdoor power applications. Built with premium monocrystalline silicon material, it delivers strong and reliable energy conversion performance with high-efficiency output. Its large dimensions of 67.8 inches in length, 44.7 inches in width, and 1.2 inches in thickness provide a substantial surface area for capturing sunlight, making it suitable for higher energy generation needs. Weighing approximately 90 pounds, it is a sturdy and durable panel intended for permanent or semi-permanent installations such as rooftops or ground-mounted solar systems. The high-efficiency design ensures better performance even under varying sunlight conditions, helping maximize energy production throughout the day. Combining durable construction, large-scale design, and efficient solar conversion, this Star solar panel is a reliable choice for sustainable energy generation in home and off-grid systems. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clean energy and tech buying guides.